Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue reteaching maths for standard 2 lesson number 3 subtraction. Students, we move on to our next topic of 3-digit numbers. We had done 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are numbers with tens and ones. Now 3-digit numbers are with ones, tens and hundreds. Our new digit is 100. So now we will first find the difference without borrowing, means directly. Okay, so I hope you will have learned how to subtract directly. Yes, so now again the same steps, ones place, tens place, and then hundreds place. So 652 minus 141, ones place 2 minus 1, 1. Then we move on, tens place 5 minus 4, 1, and hundreds place 6 minus 1, 5. So my answer is 511. So this is my difference. The number on top is my minuend. The number to be subtracted is my subtrahend, and the 511 is my difference. Okay. Next sum, 368 minus 128. Ones column, 8 minus 8. Anything minus the same number becomes 0. 6 minus 2, 4. And 3 minus 1, 2. So my answer is, or my difference is 240. Next sum, 757 minus 120. Again ones place, 7 minus 0. The number remains itself. 5 minus 2, 3. And then hundreds place, 7 minus 1, 6. So my difference is 637. Next sum, 305 minus 102. So 305 is my minuend, 102 is my subtrahend. Ones place, 5 minus 2, 3. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So my difference is 203. Next, 657 minus 142. 7 minus 2 is, yes, 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So my answer is 515. And like one more sum, 879 minus 404. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 0 remains same, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So very easy. I hope you all have understood. Forward, find the difference with borrowing. Okay, 3-digit numbers with borrowing we had done for 2-digit. Now for 3-digit, ones, tens, and hundreds. Similar way, start with ones, tens, and then hundreds. If ones the number is smaller, we borrow it from tens. If tens is smaller, we borrow it from hundreds. Okay, so again we start with the ones place, 6 minus 8. Now 6 is smaller, I cannot minus, so I will borrow from the tens place. Tens place has 4, so 4 will become 3 because I am taking one digit here. Okay, I am taking the 1 here, so 16 minus 8 is 8. Now from 3, can I minus 5? No. So what will I do? I will borrow from the hundreds place. So this will become 2, and I take that 1, so it becomes 13. 13 minus 5 will become how much? 8, and directly 2 minus 1 is 1. So my difference is 188. Please do subtraction step by step. Okay. Now next number, 650 minus 128. So ones place, from 0 I cannot minus 8, so I will borrow from the tens place. So 5 will become 4, and this number will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 4 minus 2 I can do, so no need of borrowing. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So my difference is 522. It is not necessary that you have to borrow from all the 3 places. Okay. Now next number, 300 minus 157. Okay, so now ones place, 0 minus 7. From 0 I cannot minus, so ones place I borrow from the tens place, but the tens place is also 0. So first I'll have to borrow for the tens place from the hundreds place. So 100 will become 2, and this will become 10. Now I can borrow for the ones place from the tens place because it has now 10. So this will become 9, and then this will become 10. Borrow step by step. Okay. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So my difference is 143. Next sum, 763 minus 428. So again ones place I cannot minus, so I will borrow. 13 minus 8 will become 5. 5 minus 2 I can do. Yes, so I can do it directly. No need of borrowing. 7 minus 4 is 3. So my difference is 335. Next one, 357 minus 172. Ones place 7 minus 2, 5. Tens place 5 minus 7 I cannot do, so I will borrow. So students, it is not necessary that always borrowing comes in the ones place. It can come directly in the tens place also. So 15 minus 7 is 8 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, we move on. 652 minus 174. Now again ones place from 2 I cannot minus, so I borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now tens place again from 4 I cannot minus, so again I will borrow. 14 minus 7 is 7 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So step by step subtraction with borrowing. I hope you all have understood.